ET-7026 is a web-based Ethernet I/O module that features a built-in web server which allows configuration, I/O monitoring, and I/O control through a regular web browser. With the web HMI function, no programming or HTML skills are needed. Creating dynamic and attractive web pages for I/O monitoring and I/O control is easy. This module offers easy and safe access for users from anytime and anywhere. It also supports Modbus TCP protocol that makes perfect integration to SCADA software. The ET-7026 is a multifunction module. It has 6 analog input channels, 2 analog output channels, 2 digital input channels, and 2 digital output channels. It provides programmable input ranges on all analog inputs. Digital outputs can be set up with alarm output. The ET-7026 applications include building automation, factory automation, machine automation, remote maintenance, remote diagnosis, and testing equipment. To learn more about this module, visit our website or contact a member of the ICP-DAS USA team.